Welcome, folks, to another episode of the Health and Diet channel. Today, we're diving deep into the treacherous world of kidney stones. You know, those pesky little crystals that can turn your day upside down faster than you can say, ouch. Hey there, I'm your guide through this rocky journey. Today, we're decoding everything about kidney stones, from what they are to how to prevent those suckers from causing chaos in your life. Kidney stones, or as I like to call them, the uninvited guests of your urinary system, are these solid little rascals that form when minerals and salts clump together in your kidneys. Think of them as the rock stars nobody wants backstage. There are different types, but 80% of them are calcium oxalate stones. Now, why should you care about these rocky roadblocks? Well, besides the excruciating pain and dramatic exits via your urinary tract, kidney stones affect about 12% of men and 5% of women in the U.S. So, what's the secret to avoiding these minerals? Here are a few tips to keep your kidneys in the clear. Tip 1. Stay hydrated. Water is your new bestie. Listen up, folks. The easiest way to dodge those kidney stones is by guzzling down water like it's your job. Hydration is key. It dilutes those pesky minerals in your pee, making it harder for them to get their act together and form a stone. Plus, the more you hydrate, the more you'll be running to the loo, which is actually a good thing in this case. It helps flush out those potential stone builders before they can wreak havoc. Pro tip: skip the soda, though. Those fizzy drinks are like throwing a stone-building party in your kidneys. Stick to water, my friends, and maybe a bit of coffee or tea to keep things interesting. Tip 2. Embrace your inner citrus. Who knew lemons and limes could be your kidney's best buds? Citric acid, found in these zesty heroes, can actually prevent stones from forming and even shrink them down before they become boulder-sized. It's like having your own tiny stone-fighting superheroes in your fruit bowl. Squeeze some lemon in your water, toss some oranges in your salad. Your kidneys will thank you. Just remember, folks, when life gives you lemons, make kidney stone prevention a breeze. Tip 3. Green tea. Your kidney's new BFF. Green tea isn't just a trendy drink. It's also a secret weapon against kidney stones. It helps reduce calcium buildup and keeps your urine clear as a mountain stream. Plus, it's like a spa day for your insides. Relax, rejuvenate, and let green tea work its magic. So, swap that sugary soda for some green tea goodness. Your kidneys will appreciate the upgrade. Tip 4. Coconuts. Nature's refresh button. Coconut water, not just for trendy Instagram shots. It's a natural diuretic, which means it helps your kidneys flush out those pesky stones. Plus, it tastes like a tropical vacation in a bottle. If you're feeling adventurous, try a coconut flour paste with some yogurt. It might sound odd, but if it works for your kidneys, why not? Remember, folks, when life gives you coconuts, drink up and let those stones float away. Tip 5. Hold the salt. Cut the drama salt. It's like the bad boy of kidney stone formation. Too much sodium can lead to calcium buildup, which is like laying out the welcome mat for stones in your kidneys. So, be a hero and cut back on the salty stuff. Opt for fresh fruits and veggies instead of those salty snacks. Your kidneys will appreciate the drama-free diet. Less salt, less drama. It's a win-win for your kidneys and your taste buds. Tip 6. Meat. Size matters. Now, I'm not saying ditch the steak forever, but remember, too much animal protein can increase your risk of forming uric acid stones. Keep your portions in check, about the size of a deck of cards. Balance is key, folks. Your kidneys need some love, but they don't need a protein overload. Mix it up with some plant-based proteins to keep everyone happy. So, go ahead, enjoy that BBQ, but keep your portions pint-sized for kidney peace of mind. Well, there you have it, folks. A crash course in kidney stone survival with a side of humor and a sprinkle of science. Remember, prevention is the best medicine, so treat those kidneys like the VIPs they are. Until next time, stay hydrated, eat smart, and keep those stones on their best behavior. This is your Kidney Whisperer signing off.